In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Looker Studio with Bigquery. Looker Studio, formerly called Data Studio, lets you turn Bigquery data into live, shareable dashboards. We'll connect a public Bigquery table to an existing report and get it ready for charting. Start by opening Looker Studio in your browser and going to your reports. Open the report you want, then switch to edit mode by clicking edit at the top. Edit mode unlocks the controls we need to add data. Now add Bigquery as a source. Click Add Data, search for Bigquery, and select the Bigquery connector. If you're prompted to authorize Allow Access so Looker Studio can read your projects and datasets. In the Bigquery browser that appears, choose Public Datasets. Even though these datasets are free, Bigquery still requires a billing project to run queries. Pick the billing project you want to use. This is where any query processing will be attributed. It's a good practice to keep an eye on query size later to avoid unnecessary costs. Next, browse the public datasets and choose one that fits your needs. Drill into that dataset and select a specific table. Take a moment to confirm you've got the right table and note its schema and size. Very large tables can be slower and cost more to query, so starting with a smaller sample can help while you design. When you're ready, click Add. Looker Studio will attach that table as a data source for your report. You'll see its fields appear on the right with dimensions and metrics inferred from the Bigquery schema. If a field type doesn't look right, you can adjust it here before building visuals. From this point, the report is ready for charting and exploration. Because the connection is live, it will query Bigquery when it needs fresh results, honoring the billing project you selected. That way your visuals stay up to date. And that's the process. You navigated to your report, entered edit mode, added data, chose the Bigquery connector, selected public datasets, picked a billing project, chose a dataset and table, and added it to the report. Everything you need to start analyzing Bigquery data in Looker Studio.